Comcast is reportedly working on a device similar in concept to the Amazon Echo and Google Home, but with a focus more on closely monitoring health and less on consumer-centric features. That's according to CNBC, which says the conglomerate is set to begin piloting the product sometime this year before a full launch in 2020. Having one of the most powerful telecom empire in the world tracking your health and lifestyle sure has an unsettling, dystopian ring to it. The device will monitor people's basic health metrics using ambient sensors, with a focus on whether someone is making frequent trips to the bathroom or spending more time than usual in bed. CNBC's report says, many products on the market today already have the motion sensors, cameras, and other hardware that allow for what Comcast seems to be envisioning, but not even Amazon or Google have directly sought to keep such a close eye on their customers' personal health. Comcast itself already offers home security services, and the company's much-touted X1 voice remote for its Xfinity cable platform has helped Comcast make advancements in recognizing and processing voice commands.